Alteryx can now connect with Google Sheet directly. There are a lot of new connectors. For this one, Google Sheet input and output. Basically, if you want to retrieve anything from your Google Sheet, then you can use the input node. If you want to write it into your Google Sheet, then you can use the output node. Um, for either one, you need log in. I always use the developer login. You will need this one if you want to schedule your workflow, which means you don't have to enter the login every time, or like this one says, every 60 minutes. So let's look at how we can get your developer login. If you Google Alteryx Google Sheet connector, the first one, the how-to guide, is the full instruction. And if you scroll down, the first part is just tell you how to use the Google Sheet and create a Google Sheet in your Google account. But when you scroll down in this part, here it says requires setup of Google API credentials. Okay, then click into that link. It then gives you the steps to set up the API credential. First, you need to open this console. So let me just walk you through the steps here. Sometimes it's easy for people just follow the steps, but sometimes people want to see how exactly it works, watching another person just create a API credential. Okay, now log in with the Google account. So I've logged in with myself. Create a new project by selecting here. Select a project drop down, select create a new project. Okay, so I'm gonna call it Alteryx connector. Okay, and click create. Guess I can leave those alone. Please email me. Nope. I agree. Okay, you have to click yes, I agree, and then create. Now the new project is created. From project dashboard, click enable and manage APIs. Enable. Okay. So what we need to find is Analytics API for Google Analytics, Drive API for Google Sheets. So right now we are looking at this one. Let me just do a Control F. Drive API. Here it is. Click and enable. Okay. Next, click on credentials. So there is one, and there is also credential. I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, create new, and it asks me to do this OAuth client ID. Okay. Click on configure consent screen. Enter a product name. Can I use the same name? Alteryx connector product name. And click save. So leave all the other fields. Now select web application is the first one. Add this URL as the authorized redirect to URIs. So copy right here, paste, and create. Does it do anything? Create. Okay, now it's doing something. A window will pop up with your client and its client secret. Okay, so this is what you need. Let's just go back real quick. When you click on developer login, it asks for three things: client ID, client secret, and refresh token, which means right here you've already got two of those. Click on copy, go back, paste. Let me try Control V. Okay. And then the second one, client secret. I think that one just got pasted over, and we just need a refresh token. Okay, continue. You may want to save this somewhere else because you may just need it in the future, and you can also get it here. Go to this URL, click on the gear icon to right up corner, click on the checkbox, use your own right here. Guess I have to maximize the page. Use your own OAuth credential. Enter the client ID and client secret from the previous step. Okay, I need to do that again. Let me see if this works. Control C, paste, and Control C, paste again. This one doesn't copy over. So client ID, client secret. I believe if you download this one, it will give you the credential as well. Let's see. It's the client secret right here. Click close. Alright, where we are, right here. Click authorize APIs. It's here. We need to find Google Sheet. Let's see, or is it the Drive API? Oh, it's input your own scope. It's right here. Copy paste the respective scopes into here. So for this one, copy and paste authorize APIs. Okay, click allow and click exchange authorization code for tokens. Great. Test the authorization by sending a request. Okay, so I think now we got everything. see. I think we only need a refresh token, which is right here. Copy and paste. I don't know what does the access token do, but let's just try this. Okay, now I'm connected to my Google Sheets. So these are all the Google Sheets I have. Let me just see if I have something I can connect to. Okay, select the one you want to connect, and then click next. There are three, I guess this one has the field names done. Let's do one quick thing. Let's just test the input. Run this. Seems working. Let's see. Interactive is a side target. Okay, this is all we have from that Google Sheet. This is great. So it's the same thing for the output node. You just need to do the same thing. If you once you set it up, you can always use the login, the 3 items. So you can just save it somewhere and use it for the input and output. That's it.